Hello everyone, our lesson today is Parallel Lines Part 2. The objectives of our lesson are: define and identify a transversal, explore relationships between parallel lines and a transversal, define alternate interior angles and corresponding angles, measure and solve for the angles formed by any two parallel lines and a transversal between them, and to-do list. Definitions. What are parallel lines? Are two lines that never intersects. What is a transversal? Is a line that intersects two or more lines. When parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, many angles are formed. Here we have a reminder. Supplementary angles are two angles such that their sum is 180 degrees, form a straight angle. Given this figure, name the parallel lines. The parallel lines are M and N. Name the transversal. The transversal is line P. The supplementary angles are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, for example, since they form a straight angle. The vertically opposite angles are 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 5 and 8, 6 and 7, since they form an X shape. Here we have two kinds of angles, interior and exterior. What is an interior? An interior is the space inside the two lines. As for exterior, is the space outside the two lines. In the diagram below, angles 1, 2, 7, and 8 are exterior angles. As for angles 3, 4, 5, and 6 are on the interior. Alternate interior angles. Definition. They are two angles that lie between parallel lines on the opposite sides of transversal. They form letter Z in different positions. In this case, the alternate interior angles are 3 and 6, 4 and 5 because they form a Z-shaped letter. Any two alternate interior angles are equal. As for corresponding angles, when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, pairs of corresponding angles are formed. They form letter F in different positions. For example, in this case, the corresponding angles are 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8, because they form letter F. Any two corresponding angles are equal. Let's practice. It's given that angle A is equal to 120 degrees. We are going to find the measure of the remaining angles. Let us start with angle B. Angle A and angle B form a straight angle that's equal to 180 degrees. Then B is equal to 180 degrees minus angle A that's equal to 120 degrees. Then B is equal to 60 degrees. C is equal to B, vertically opposite angles. Then C is equal to 60 degrees. D is equal to A, vertically opposite angles in the form of X shape. Then D is equal to 120 degrees. E is equal to A, corresponding angles. Then E is equal to 120 degrees. F is equal to C in the form of Z-shaped letter. Then F is equal to 60 degrees. G is equal to C. They form F-shaped letter, corresponding angles. Then G is equal to 60 degrees. As for H, it's equal to E, vertically opposite angles. Then H is equal to 120 degrees. Here you have extra to be solved. First one. Given lines XY and BC are parallel, you have to find the missing angles ABC and BAC. As for the second one, you have to calculate A, B, C, D, X, Y, and Z. And this is your homework in the book. Stay safe and stay home.